Hey everyone, welcome back to Shade Review. In today's video, we are showing you how to easily replace the lenses on your authentic Ray-Ban Aviator sunglasses. So the only tool that you're going to need for this is a very high quality Phillips screwdriver. And the reason you want it to be high quality is because you do not want to strip the little screws on these sunglasses. I recommend this set of Starrett Jewelers screwdrivers. It works absolutely fantastic and I've been using it for years. It works really good for sunglasses. I will be sure to leave a link in the description down below to Amazon where you guys can pick up this exact set. And this Phillips screwdriver works absolutely perfect for these Ray-Ban sunglasses. Okay, so the first step here is to take a look at the temples. And here with the temple of the sunglasses opened, we can see there are two Phillips head screws. So there's one back one and then one front one. The first one we're going to take care of is the one all the way here in the back. And we're going to attach it here and we're going to make sure we have a lot of pressure pressing down on it. That way we don't strip the screw, and we are going to twist it counterclockwise. But we also want to make sure that we don't fully unscrew this, because if we do, it's going to be a little bit of a pain to put it all back together. So we're going to take it like 90% of the way out. That way it's nice and loose. And then once the back screw is nice and loose like this, we're going to go ahead and tackle the front screw right here. So again, here we're going to twist counterclockwise until the lens wants to pop out, just like this. So here we can see there is definitely a big gap here created by unscrewing it, and the lens is going to easily pop out, and we're going to push it backwards just like this with just a little bit of pressure, and the lens is going to pop out just like that. It's going to be very easy. And you want to make sure that you don't force anything. Then we're going to go ahead and take our replacement lens and feed it in here to the middle of the bridge here of a decent amount of pressure, and we want to fit it in from the back forward. So we put it in the back and then we push it forward here until it basically makes a pop, and then it's just a very easy process. All we do is we tighten this down. So we start here with the screw that's closest to the lens. We're going to tighten that down nice and firm, and then we're going to go ahead and tighten the temple up just like this, nice and firm. Once you hit resistance here, you definitely want to stop because you don't want to strip the screw or do any damage here. But here we can see the temple is nice and firm again, just like the other one, and our new lens is installed and we are completely good to go, and our pair of sunglasses is as good as new with these brand new lenses on them. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, make sure to give me a big thumbs up down below, and of course make sure to subscribe button for more videos like this and reviews on sunglasses. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you all in the next one.